there, Greenie Beanies. It's me, Marvy. It may be raining near me today, but don't worry, I've got the perfect video for a drizzly day. Come on, Greenie Beanies.
Sunshine, dirt and rain make the flowers grow. Hooray! Wow! My song made it rain, Gus. No, it's just dewdrops. Oh well. I know, Gus, that is a beautiful leaf. Want to see something else beautiful? Come on, it's going to be amazing. Look, we're here, we made it. The flowers are in bloom. Don't be sad, Gus. Flowers need to drink, just like us. Oh, I see. This little bud hasn't bloomed yet. It's okay, Gus. We can help it bloom with a song. Little bud, don't be shy. Say good morning to the sky. That didn't seem to work. I'll keep practicing that one. Whoa, more beautiful leaves. But what can we do to help this little bud? Oh, I see. The leaf is keeping the rain off of us, but it's also keeping the rain away from the little bud. And the little bud needs it. There you go, little bud. You were thirsty, weren't you? It's okay. We'll be right here. Look, Gus, the sun is shining and we have a new friend. What should we call it? Bloom. Bloom.
Wasn't that video awesome? I wish we could watch it again. Oh, wait, we can. Let's rewind it and watch it one more time, Greenie Beanies.